The rotary mouse isn't just a mouse. It's a mouse with a built-in jog wheel for video editing. Here's what it can do in Premiere Pro. You can glide through your timeline, zoom in and out smoothly, and adjust track heights, all using the rotary wheel. Let's see it in action. Scrubbing is where this mouse really stands out. Just place your cursor over the timeline and turn the wheel. Rotate counterclockwise to move forward and clockwise to move backward. Each tactile click gives you precise, granular control over your timeline. Turn it slowly for fine adjustments or spin it faster to move quickly across your timeline. You can also reverse the direction if you want to. Zooming is just as intuitive. Hold down Alt or Option, then rotate the wheel. Clockwise to zoom in, and counterclockwise to zoom out. You can also adjust track height on the fly. Hold Shift and turn the wheel to expand or shrink your video and audio tracks. This is especially useful when working with multiple layers or when you need a clearer view of your waveforms. Believe it or not, the stirring motion can even help reduce finger strain. Try it for yourself. Check it out at rotarymouse.com.